Hello. Yes, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yes, I welcome you all to a fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. You know what we do over here. We always talk about how to make money online, how to start your own online company, and a lot. Yeah. So recently, I've been doing a lot of updates about Neptune Network. People have been saying that it's gone. People have been saying that they believe that 15th September it will be back. But normally, I always talk about a particular thing, and right now, it is manifesting. It is manifesting, and I've already told you that you have to take that thing serious. And people think that like I was joking or something like that. Do you know that a lot of people have been doing complaints in my DM concerning their passkey? Some people are trying to log in into their Neptune network and they are asking them about their password and their passkey. And I've been doing a lot of videos about this now. That if let's assume that Neptune Network said that okay, 15th, we are opening the withdrawal channel. Right now, they know that a lot of people will be cashing out, so they will find some ways to cut some people off. That is why they have introduced that if by 10th September you are not in the DeFi trade, your release coins will be destroyed. Your coins will be destroyed. Your USDT or Tron coins will be destroyed because these are some of the things that they will use to cut some of us short. And don't be here and complaining. That is why I'm doing videos. Like people think that like I work with Neptune Network or something like that. Yo, we all invest. Me, I have more than 5,000 in my Neptune account. $5,000 in my Neptune account. You see that then? So I will not wish Neptune will run away or Neptune will scam us. You see that then? They say 15th. Let's wait to the 15th. And the reason why I'm not doubting their time period is that last year, something like that happened. And I thought like they are gone. And beginning of this year, I saw them that like I opened my account and I saw some coins in my wallet and I withdraw and it came. You see, so there are some things, though it may be that they are gone, though it may be that they'll come back. But one of my intent is that I don't want you to be a victim. So let's assume that if they are in and you don't know your passkey, you haven't joined the DeFi trade, what will you do? And right now, you can check some of the screen. I'll put some of the pictures on the screen. People have been chatting, commenting in my videos that like they have lost their password and passkeys when they are trying to log in. They say they have to provide it, but they can't find it. So what will they do? Me, I can't do anything about it. That means your asset is gone forever. That is why I urge everyone to take my updates serious about Neptune Network. Because like I know what I'm saying. They can say that okay, we are back, but if your coins is not in the DeFi trade, you are out. If you haven't joined the game, their farm game, you are out. You will try to log in and they say that you have to provide your passkey. If you don't have your passkey, you are out. They will try and find some things to cut people off. You get it? They'll find some things to cut people off. So I don't want it to be off. That is why I always do updates to update you on some certain things. Right now, those who don't those who can't log in into their accounts right now because of like their passkey and their password, I think your asset is gone. Yeah. And I always say this: if you are new to Neptune Network and you don't have any release coin, I will not advise you to put money inside. No. But if you have released coins in your Neptune network and you haven't joined the DeFi trade, that one I would advise you that even if you have 20, like convert 10 USDT and invest in the DeFi trade, because that one they have made it clear to us that by 10th, if you're not in the DeFi trade, you'll lose your money. That is why I always say that I'm not talking about the newbies. I'm talking about people who are already in the Neptune space, who are already making money on the Neptune space, who already have Neptune coins in their wallet. If you have released coins in your wallet and you haven't joined the DeFi trade, and people will be saying that, why are you saying that? Like if you haven't joined the DeFi trade, how can you earn release coin? You see, Neptune Network, there were a lot of ways that we used to make money when the withdrawal process was on. You see, by referring people to the platform, if you refer people to the platform and they join the DeFi trade, you be gaining no reward from it. You see, and if you join the game too, you be earning money from it. You see, yeah. So me, one of my major money making on this platform was referring people to the platform. So I've referred more than 5,000 people to the platform, and some of them have also joined the DeFi trade. So you'll be getting reward from it. So that one you will not even bother towards join the DeFi trade. And these are some of the things that Neptune Network want to clear off. So those who were ambassadors, they were paying them monthly, they were getting enough rewards and things. And if you are an ambassador on the platform and you think that, oh, me, I don't join the DeFi trade, but I still cash out, this is the right time for you to join the DeFi trade, or you will lose all your assets. We are praying that everything will be okay. That's why I say, like, if you believe Neptune Network is not gone, you can comment I believe. If you don't believe, you can comment I don't believe, and let's start a trend. Yeah, because I'm not saying that I have to believe that they are gone or they are not gone. Because like, yo, bro, I have a lot of money. People are having $15,000, $20,000. Like the money you have in your accounts right now. Comment another comment section and let's discuss. So any amount you have in the Neptune Network right now, you can comment another comment section and we will discuss in our next video. People are having a lot of money in their Neptune Network accounts, and we all can't afford to lose our assets like that. You see, so right now I and my boys have embarked on some road to fish out people behind the Neptune Network, because if you go to their platform, they have the CEO and everything over there. So my next video, we'll be fishing out them one by one on Instagram and everything, and see whether like those who are on the platform, like their Neptune.bet platform, are the real people behind it. You see, so my next video, I'll be fishing out all these people and I'll bring them to you so that you will know your stance, whether what is going on is real or it's not real. It's that thing. Yeah, because we are all praying that everything will go smoothly. That's what we're all praying. You see, and right now, if you transfer the money to your USDT, at first, if you transfer the money to the Tron to withdraw, it was working. Right now, it's not working again. Yeah, so people will be saying that. So you said you were withdrawing. Yeah, at first the Tron was working, the TRX was working, but right now the TRX is not working again. That's why I'm confused right now. I'm confused right now because like I was waiting for it to get to 2 USDT before I withdraw, and since it gets to the 2 USDT, the Tron 2 is not withdrawing. Yeah, so let's all wait and hope for the best, so that we will not think that we have lose our money or something like that. So I think this is an update for you, and people are right now losing their passkeys. So please, you can either screenshot your passkey or copy it and paste it somewhere, so that in case if they open it and you try to open it, you say that paste your pass key, you will not be fumbled, like you will not be troubled, you will not be stressed. I hope you are listening to what I'm saying, because like I know what I'm saying, so you have to take my words very serious. Yeah. So I think I'm done, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have anything that you want us to discuss, I have a Telegram channel in the description. I have a WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp group. You can join and you chat. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And you know my name, Kenny Rhymes, and I'm the founder of Randall Tech Company. Thank you for watching me, and I'm out.